good morning. This is Dennis, and in this video I'm going to be focusing on the trade of the day for today, 7th of June 2016, one day before that big crazy trading Thursday, where we start the day with the ECB, we continue it with Trump and the testimony from the ex-FBI chief, and we wrap up everything with the UK elections. Now, I'm not going to go much into anything. I'm just going to tell you that the most watched pair for the UK elections will be Euro GBP. Big moves should occur there. I'm not even going to go into charting about it. I'm going to create a whole separate video for the UK elections, and you'll have it later on in the day. Let's head over to the trade of the day, which we're looking at right now. Right now we're looking at CADJPY 4-hour chart. We're trying to trade this channel. You can see that this area here is a decent support level, has supported price action in the last 3 times it came here, on April 18th, then again on 5th of May, no sorry, 18th of May, and then we're here again on the 6th of June. So 3 months in a row we keep coming to this level. If we look at the long-term idea, you can see that this area has acted as a support and resistance in the past as well. Let's focus on current price action. Price action is pointing towards the upside. Let's add on the momentum side as well. Momentum is still lower, but if I go on the hourly chart, it's indicating a reversal. So we could have another retest of this area here, and that's this trend line. That's why my stop loss is, I'm going to move it just a little bit more, 50 pips. I'm using a one risk, 2 reward on this one, because my target is all the way up here, which is about 100 pips. There could be a retest, so be wary of that. If you want to have a safer play on this one, it would be best to just wait and see where price action goes, because it could, again, I'm mentioning it could head lower to this level before either going higher or breaking out. Now, the CAD, let's talk about fundamentals. There is a lot of tensions in the Gulf right now between Qatar and a number, maybe about 6 to 7 different Arabic states or nations that are kind of bullying Qatar. And Qatar is yes, Qatar is an OPEC member. It exports around 600,000 barrels. Well, sorry, produces about 600,000 barrels per day. Qatar is not a major player in OPEC or in the oil industry, but it's the biggest player in the natural gas industry. So Qatar became rich by that, and as you can see, let's go over oil very quickly. Actually, I'm not going to go into oil. Oil has been rising since yesterday. It's been rising today. Our watch list for today for our members, for our premium members, has been released, and just a sneak peek into that is that we are bullish on oil today, which means we're bullish on the CAD. The CAD's actually the only pair of the correlated currencies, the correlated oil currencies, which is the Russian ruble. These are the tradable assets only, the Mexican peso, the Norwegian crown, and of course CAD. Out of these 4, the only one that is down and that has not gained yet is the CAD, which makes me think, is that bullish move coming today? We'll see. So far the ruble is a bit stronger, Mexican peso is a bit stronger, Norwegian crown is a bit stronger, but Canadian dollar is lower. The Japanese yen gained significant pips and momentum in the last 2 days because of uncertainties in the world with all of these big things happening tomorrow. It was only natural for the yen to gain strength, but that strength was abnormal. It was not normal movement, so it's bound to regain those pips once uncertainty dies out, which probably will today and tomorrow, maybe Friday. So this is a good idea here. This is a nice trade. I think we have a play towards the downside before upside, maybe about a 60% to 70% chance of this happening, and about a 30-40% chance of it going straight up. Be very careful of this level here. So this zone here, which is just under the 75% MPI, and from current price action, it's about 40 pips away. Once price does come there, I'm going to move my stop loss into profit, and that way I'm going to be able to secure some of my trades. Trade of the day for 7th of June 2017 is CADJPY buy. Target area is the 82.6, anywhere from the 82.4 to 82.6. That's what I'm shooting for. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the markets. My name is Dennis, and I wish you an excellent day.